it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking to revamp your child's closet? Well, let me show you some hangers that you might want to check out. These are by Sharpty. I personally bought these for a consignment sale that I was doing with my daughter's clothes. I needed some really nice hangers to hang up and showcase my clothes, and these were the perfect ones for it. Not only were they economical, but they held her clothes really well. So from 12 months up to 5 tees I had on this, and they all stayed on really nicely. And because of the little hooks on the top, even her spaghetti strap dresses all stayed on place. Another nice thing is that they are very skinny. So they have a little bit more flexibility than a regular hanger, and I feel like they'll break less. They also took up less space. So you can see here how much space my clothes took up. And then these are some from another consignor. You can see all mismatched and fat hangers. Don't mind look better. So if you are looking for some hangers for your infant, your toddler, your child, I say check these out. But that's just mine.